This is our 8-ounce hammer made for making nails and small knives. This is our 12-ounce made for making slightly bigger knives and railroad spikes. This is our 16-ounce, which is made for making sheath knives. This is our 24-ounce, which is made for making bigger sheath knives or bigger pocket knives. This is our 32-ounce, which is made for making bigger knives. This is our forge about to be ignited. We have to lift the cauldron lid so that the gas does not get caught in there. Now it is ignited. And blue means it's very hot. Now we have to close the lid so that the heat gets trapped in there. Now we have to put our knife in so it can get heated up. It takes a while to get heated up because we did not let our forge get heated up completely. It takes about 5 minutes for it to get completely heated up. And then you stick it in and take it out in a few seconds. Now we're taking it out to put it on the anvil. As you can see, it's glowing red. That means it's hot. Hot enough to beat and do some damage to it. Then you strike it. Strike it over and over again. And then eventually it gets cold, so then you have to put it back into the forge. The sparks that you see are friction. When the hammer hits the knife, it creates a power, like a power thing, friction-y thingy, I don't know, and it makes sparks. Like if you bang two rocks together, it makes a spark. And when it gets colder, if you keep banging on it when it's just flat out metal, like not red at all, then you can crack the knife. And when you winch it, there's a very high chance of you cracking the knife. You have to put it in the forge and then dump it into either oil or water to winch it. And now it's gotten almost completely cold. It takes about 30 minutes for it to get completely cool. Now we're putting it back in the forge so we can heat it up again.